Guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out and testing out this product that I've actually recently purchased from YesStyle, and you guys actually been requested it for me to try it on. So this is actually the eyelid liquid glue. So is it actually worth getting, guys, or is it actually better than the eyelid tape? So if you guys wanted to find out, please make sure that you watch at the end of this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. And thank you so much for all your support, guys. So if you guys have an hooded eyes, please keep on watching. This is actually my first time to try and test it out to see if it's actually better than the eyelid tape. So if you guys haven't watched my first impressions and review in applying the Daiso eyelid tape, I will put the link up the top of the screen somewhere, and also down the description box below. This is from YesStyle. Actually paid $17.68. I think this is like a #1 eyelid glue, actually made in Japan. Packaging, you're actually getting the actual instruction. Also got the English instructions next to the diagrams. To get the actual eyelid glue, so got the Y shape and the eye shape end. The excess oil or any dirt on my eyelid, so it's nice and dry. Lid line you want to create, this should be 4 to 6 millimeter above the last line for a natural looking fold. Actually how it looks like. So it's like you're applying your nail polishes, but it's a little bit like a tiny chemical scent, which is obviously the glue scent. It's actually not overpowering when you actually put it on the lid. I did apply that glue, just brushing it on the area I want to create my crease, putting your excess skin together so they'll be more intact. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit. I'm just making sure it's all like set before I'll try and apply the eyeshadow. Just that you can actually put an eyeshadow, but it has to be a matte eyeshadow on top of the liquid eyelid glue. In that way it's actually not going to emphasize more of the actual glue. Actually a fail for me, guys. So as you can see, it actually didn't really sit on correctly on my lid, and it's just created a big mess. This is probably best to use this without putting an eyeshadow. Personally with me, as soon as I've applied the eyeshadow, I can see that the glue started to to disappear, or started to disconnect on my new crease. So I might have to experiment that further, guys. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, guys, if you actually used this eyelid glue before. I would love to hear from you guys, and let me know if this actually works, or if you've got any recommendations or any technique. Please let me know down the description box below, and also comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.